English body parts phrases. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today's lesson is about body parts, useful phrases you can use when talking about health, movement, or giving instructions. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. Lily's morning routine. It's Monday morning. Lily wakes up and says, my head hurts. She didn't sleep well last night. She goes to the bathroom and says, time to wash your face, Lily. She washes her face with cold water and feels better. She looks in the mirror and says, okay, Lily, open your eyes wide. She practices smiling at herself. Suddenly, she hears loud construction noises outside. Oh no! Cover your ears, Lily! She laughs and covers her ears quickly. Then she begins her stretching routine. Let's warm up, she says. She touches her nose. Touch your nose, easy! Next, she takes a deep breath and says, open your mouth and breathe out slowly. She continues her exercise and says, raise your hand, Lily. Yes, just like that. After that, she sits on her mat and says, now stretch your legs. She stretches and feels the tension release. Lily looks down and laughs. Wow, my foot is small, but it's cute. Finally, she stands up and says, time to start the day, even if my back aches a little. She makes herself breakfast and smiles. Good morning to me. Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. Lily's morning routine. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Lily wakes up on Monday. Who wakes up? Lily. What day is it? Monday. What does Lily say? My head hurts. She goes to the bathroom. Where does she go? To the bathroom. What does she say there? Wash your face. Does she wash her hands or face? Her face? She looks in the mirror. What does she say? Open your eyes. Does she open her mouth or her eyes? Her eyes. How does she feel? Better. She hears loud noises. Why does she cover her ears? Because of the noise. What does she say? Cover your ears. Does she laugh? Yes. Next, she starts stretching. What does she touch first? Her nose. What does she say? Touch your nose. Is it easy? Yes. Then she takes a breath. What does she open? Her mouth. What does she say? Open your mouth. Why? To breathe out slowly. She continues exercising. What does she raise? Her hand. Does she raise her leg? No. What does she stretch next? Her legs. Lily looks at her foot. What does she say about her foot? My foot is small. Does she hate her foot? No, she laughs. How does she feel? Happy. Finally, she stands up. What aches a little? Her back. What does she say? My back aches. Does she still start her day? Yes. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about body parts, beau fan côté. Today, you practiced phrases like, my head hurts, wash your face, open your eyes, cover your ears, touch your nose, open your mouth, raise your hand, stretch your legs, my foot is small, and my back aches. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.